Good morning, everybody. Now, I got received a lot of feedbacks from you all saying, can you send us short videos rather than long ones? And so, starting from today, I'll be starting, what we call is the shorts. So these are going to be just small ones, not the long ones as in the logs, but it will be in the same side. So today I'm going to start talking about what is meant by vertigo. I get lots of patients saying, look, I got vertigo, but they don't understand the meaning of the word vertigo. So there are different things. One is known as vertigo, one is known as, the dizziness, other is known as imbalance, other is known as some, visual disturbance, and they all are colloquially known as vertigo. True vertigo is most often because of the ear problems. So when you have a true vertigo, you will feel a rotational movement. Either you will feel as if you yourself are rotating, or you feel the entire building is rotating. This is known as vertigo. And anything and everything can cause a vertigo, which I'll be talking in the subsequent videos. So a lot of people comment to me, oh, so it's a short thing. That means, is it not a vertigo? No. Vertigo means, to be more in a layman's term, it's like a bus. Okay, you have different types of buses which goes to different cities. So you have to get into the proper bus to go to the proper city. In the same way, the word vertigo means you have got a problem which causes rotational movements and its associated things like nausea, vomiting and all that. And there are different reasons for the vertigo. It can be because of the ears, it could be because of the eyes, or it could be because of the movements of the joints or the muscles. So now, the first thing which we'll be taking up is known as a cervical vertigo. What does that mean? The name cervical means your cervical spine. Vertigo means a vertigo which is caused because of problem of the cervical spine. Now, classically, the history will be, or your presentation will be, when you look up or down like this, you will feel chakkar. When you're lying down, you will feel chakkar. When you're getting up, you will feel chakkar. A lot of people say, look, when I get up, as soon as I get up, I have a lot of chakkar. So that means you might be having a cervical problem. So that you have to come and either meet me or go and meet a specialist who deals with the spine, or who also manages the vertigo. So these will last just for about few seconds, less than about 15-20 seconds. But yes, it will be so bad that it's going to be very frightening for you. But there is nothing to be alarmed about. All you have to do is, in the meantime, before you could see a specialist, just ensure you don't look up or down, or that you don't lie flat and all that stuff. That should help you, and then based on the examination, the specialist will be able to guide you and help you out. And this is very common in elderly people, or in those who have vitamin D deficiency. Thank you.